everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. Happy Monday, everybody. It's Monday, which means it's Casing the Catalog Monday, and my inspiration for today's card I found on page 12, and it's this guy right over here. So our supplies that we are going to need to create this card: we need some thick Whisper White cardstock, and this piece is cut at 4 1/4 by 11, and I have it scored at 5 1/2. I am using the Wrapped in Plaid Designer Series paper, and I have 3 of the pieces of 6 by 6, and I'll show you why in a minute why I did that, because I'm going to actually cut it down. Now, any scraps you have, I just put them in a clear little like baggie. That way I don't lose anything. Everything's kept together. So that's what I like to do. So I'm going to cut this down, and I am using the new Stampin' Trimmer, and this is 6 by 6, and I'm going to cut this to 4 1/4. This you can use for something else. And then what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to cut this at an angle. So I'm just going to line it up here in my paper cutter. And I am just going to cut it like so. And this is going to go on the front of my card, just like so. Okay, this you can save for another project. We are also using some striped ribbon today, very nice. We will also be using some Whisper White Baker's Twine. And then we will be using some multi-purpose liquid glue. My stamp set today, I chose the Perfectly Plaid, and this is the Pine Tree Punch, and if you bundle them together you save 10%, and we love that. We love to save money. We also have some shaded spruce. Now I will have written detailed description about today's project over on my website www.stampwithshar.com, so if you miss anything, everything will be there. This piece here, I am actually going to come with my ruler. I'm going to set this other stuff off. And I'm going to come with my ruler. So you're going to come with your pencil, and you are going to take your ruler, and you're going to mark 3/4 inch across. And you're going to put a little pencil mark there and a pencil mark on that side. You're going to flip it over to the opposite side, and you're going to measure out the same thing. You're going to put a little pencil mark there and a pencil mark there. Then you're going to line this up in your trimmer, and you're going to line it up to those marks, and you're going to cut your paper. Like so. This you can use on another project. And again, you're going to line that mark up on your trimmer. You're going to line it up with that mark, like so. And that's going to give you that length that you need to go across your paper. Okay? Then, with this sheet, we're going to cut this at 2 inches. And then this is going to be cut at, 4 3/4. We can now set our paper trimmer off to the side. So we can fold our card. I am using the Banner Triple Punch, as well as the Delightfully Detailed, I believe this is. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do that. can do that. And my Whisper White piece, I'm going to do the exact same. This Whisper White piece measures 2 inches by 4, let me double check, 2 by, and again, I will have it all over on my website. Kind of looks like it's probably like 3.5 inches. You're going to come now with your ribbon. Ooh, actually, I'm going to stamp. I've just got a scrap piece of Whisper White. I'm going to come in with my shaded spruce. And I am going to stamp that Christmas tree. I'm going to come with a coordinating punch. Punch this guy out. Then we can start assembling our card. I got my multi-purpose liquid glue, and we are going to start putting our pieces on our card. So like so. You're going to take your paper snips and then flip it over and just cut away the excess. Just like so. I can now stamp my Merry Christmas up in the corner. And then we can now use our ribbon. And I am going to feed this through. My baker's twine. Ah, didn't cut that off. All right. Whoa. Okay, now we are going to tie a little bow, and then I'm going to fix and cut away any excess. Just like so. I have my pick-me-up tool. Take your pick tool, and I am going to attach my tree with some dimensionals. Love these things. And then I can pop this on like so. This one here. Can add like so. And then I just went ahead and added some of these random Toil and Trouble glitter enamel dots. Now I have a little boo-boo there, that's why I put that there. There's one there too. And just like so. Super cute, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope you all have a wonderful week ahead. And I hope to see you back here on Wednesday. We'll see you then. Take care.